Hey, how's it going? And today this is just a super easy, quick video on how to create another Starfield in LightWave. Another thing I like about LightWave. So many things I like about this program. Once you get the basics down, that is. Once you get past that, you can have a lot of fun with it. I've done another video on doing these 3D Starfields, and this is another super quick and easy way. So we just come in here to create, and we go to more. And there's one called Star Sphere of all things. You can vary these values on here. I don't know, just make it kind of random. Change it's usually just 100 straight down. And then you can control the size of the sphere. And then you just go, okay. And then it comes in. You can hit A to center it, and there you go. Now what's nice about this, the other way I show how to do it is with a procedural, but that's basically flat. But what's cool about this is that this is actually three-dimensional. It has a lot nicer effect for if you want to do a camera move through it. So then anyway, we just go save object as. I'm gonna go XXX. I like to use, you can get these through Liberty 3D. There are these Iron Sky models, and this was the, I like to throw these into scenes, and they're really great looking, but I'm just gonna save it right there. I'm not gonna put a model into this one. I'm just going to show you the background, but it's real easy to add a ship or planets or whatever you want into this. So then after we do that, we save that. What's going on with my mouse here? Or just send it over to layout. There it is. So I can shift into perspective view right here just so I can move around and you can see it. So it's really cool how fast you can create that, and you can scooch right on into it. We can go ahead and match our camera perspective. Whoops. Match our camera perspective like that. And then if we go into VPR, we can't see anything. I mean, actually, you sort of can, but let me just kill the backdrop here. Backdrop, kill it. And there's our Starfield. Now, what we can do, there's a lot of things you can do to try to, I'm still exploring how I could maybe add some fluctuation to the lighting in here. But this is just to get the basic quick and, I mean, super quick and easy Starfield. If you come on to properties here, and let me drag this down. Let me just go to, there we go, primitives, and go to edges. If I just bump this up to, let's say 3, you can really see it there. You can make, if that's too much, you can make it 2. And you know, you have a nice basic Starfield, but what's cool about it is actually in 3 dimensions. So it's really great. The other thing you can do that I would do is if I go into backdrop and I go to textured environment, and I show this on the other tutorial I did, is you go into texture and we'll go procedural turbulence, but then we'll change the color to a dark blue like that. And go okay, and then we're just going to drop the opacity down on this. And what this does is it creates a nice, it really breaks up the monotony of the scene, and then just adds a nice dimension texture into it that looks like clouds, space clouds, or things like that. And that's all there is to it. And then you just add in a model if you happen to have one handy, and you've got a nice backdrop real quick and easy. It only takes a couple of minutes. It's kind of cool when you pan around. I notice like the turbulence texture even seems to be changing a little bit. So it's just you can get a really nice look so fast and easy. And that's all I had for today. So I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and everybody stay safe.